After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
Denver, go ahead.
122 Victor, Frank Victor. It's on a Harley, southbound 5. Stand by.
Denver.
Contact the supervisor, speeds 87, passing Rossi. Reason for the stop's reckless driving. You able to get a 28 on that, return on that 28? Black leather jacket, black helmet.
90 meters outbound.
Yeah, 10-4, passing the highway department right now.
Campbell, I'm out west, so I'll cut down 201.
10-4, he's passing WLLs. He almost hit a car head on. We're southbound still. Passing Dollar General, speeds 100. Splitting traffic, passing the soccer complex. Southbound from County Road 69. I don't see him. 10-4, I got him. Reckless driving, he was splitting traffic on the bypass.
idea what you guys who it is?
Negative. I was able to get a 28 on him before he took off. Passing Penny's Country Store, still southbound.
5, you have the county unit with us. Okay. The traffic light down there,
That's intermittent. He's been splitting traffic when he gets caught up with it, though. Coming past Briar Cliff, speeds 89.
Traffic's still out.
Yeah, 10-4 still light. We haven't passed anybody else southbound. Only just a couple of cars northbound. Harrison, who's that 28 come back to?
Come back to a Richard here or a Lila here. I haven't seen them yet. I'm not sure.
10-4.
Sure, that damn say we'll get it. Yeah, an address. Where's the address come back to on the 28?
13437 Drive.
Passing. They're coming up on Pine Street, coming into Sellersville, speed 65.
Harrison, where's our closest post for you? Do we have anybody in the Stone County?
Negative, near close 3, trying to be 25. Southwest.
Passing Dollar General, coming up to the Y store.
10-4.
Gonna be southbound 177, southbound 177.
10-4.
Traffic's going from 177.
It's still light. We're coming past the hatchery, about to head towards the dam.
See, that's coming.
wrecked out. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Lay on your face! On your face! On your face! Hands out! Hands out!
They're advising on the county traffic. They have one at gunpoint that wrecked out the curb there at the dam.
I wasn't even gonna run from you, man.
You shouldn't have then.
I was.
It'd have been a ticket.
Literally just gonna get on it.
Five, you copy?
On the bypass.
I'm direct. I'm 201 south. I was going the other direction.
You hear me?
I'll cut across.
I just got scared.
You see that fucking school bus just went by?
County traffic says this motorcycle wrecked or we wrecked it? He just said we're out of the curve at gunpoint. Lee Sanders is out there with him.
Harrison, send an ambulance for this subject. We're 10-4. 10-15. And we're 10-15. 10-15. He's advising he's okay, but I'm gonna have an ambulance go ahead and check on him anyways.
10-4, so forget to change your camera to criminal arrest.
10-4.